Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and I am a travel vlogger, but currently I am doing a lot of home decor videos. So this is the most asked video that I am going to show you right now. It is the makeover of my living room. So come along with me.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want this time.
So guys, welcome back, and before I could go ahead with the tour, I just want to tell you and show you how this room looked before the makeover. So this room was completely with a beige and black and gold theme, and so this theme was there for around a year, and then finally during the COVID, because I have nothing to do at home and it was locked down and I was working from home and I got good enough time to spend at home, so I've decided to give this room a completely colorful makeover. So I'm going to take you to different corners of this living room and I'm going to show you around like how I have changed the entire look of it, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so let's start at the starting of the entrance of the hall. So as soon as you walk in the door, you will find this space. So to start with, I bought this very chic boho wall hanging from Amazon, and I'm going to link that in the description. And followed by this candle, this wood candle holder, also I bought it from Amazon. And then the planter, and of course you would see a lot of plants and cute planters in the entire decor because I love growing plants. Then to cover this wall, I have filled this wall with some of my favorite movie posters, which I bought from Amazon and got them framed as per my choice. And then the cute home decor pieces that you see here, this giraffe piece and the ceramic giraffe and the test tube holders, and then the ceramic tortoise, all these are from the local store in Siliguri. So this store is there in Golden Plaza and I'm going to give that in the description. You'll get amazing and unique home decor pieces for a very less prices. And then moving on to this DIY terrarium which I made during the lockdown days. So this is how this entire place looks. So towards this side of the wall, this is a very special painting. So this painting is from Vincent van Gogh Museum. So this is not an original painting, this is the print of the original painting which you can buy it out just outside the museum. So I bought this from Amsterdam last year. And towards the end of this wall, I have put this broken heart plant, and I have this fairy lights bottle holders. So these actually lit up very nicely in the night, and this is a very easy DIY that anybody can do. So this is how I complete the look of this space. And now I'm going to show you the other corner of the hall. So guys, next up is this part of the wall. So to start with, towards my left, I have put this side table where I've put different kinds of decor items. So and this one keeps changing. So currently I am in love with bougainvillea season. So I put fresh bougainvillea plants and a few candle holders and also the fairy lights in the bottle. So this is also very quick DIY that you can do. And then this is again a special candle holder which I bought for Diwali this year, and this is also from the same shop in Siliguri. I bought this from Golden Plaza. So this looks amazing when you lit up all the candles. And then moving on to this couch. So this is basically a old divan which I inherited from my grandmother, and this used to have a beige color cover on it. And to give a little makeover, I've got this dark blue cover stitched, and I've put some colorful pillows because the whole idea of this entire makeover is to add a lot of color to it. So hence I put these pillows, and these pillows are also from Amazon. And on the top of this wall, I put a little mix of the travel frames and family pictures, and the entire frames also I bought from Amazon. So now I'm going to take you to the most famous corner in the living room, is the plants corner. Hey guys, so let's talk about the plants corner. So this corner is quite famous on Instagram because I made reels from this of this corner, and that video went viral and I got very good compliments. So this is the plant corner. This is how it looks. So this frame also I bought it from from the local shop in Siliguri. So you can put different decor items, or you can put a lot of plants like a creepers or hanging plants over here. And then this corner I put this hanger hooks. I bought these hanger hooks and these lanterns also from Amazon, and these look very pretty in the night when you lit up the candles in it. And also these jute ropes also I bought it from Amazon to hang these plants. So this corner has pretty much almost all the indoor plants that I really love. So it has different ferns in it, slate plant, and it has a prayer plant, rubber plant, and this huge erica palm. So this is how this corner looks. Now I'm going to take you to the showstopper wall. So guys, next up, this is showstopper wall. The reason I call it showstopper because this wall is quite famous on Instagram, and also who has come to my house, they just love this wall. So this wall was completely beige in colors, and to add that very bright color, so I was contemplating between pink and yellow, and then finally I have narrowed down to yellow because yellow is my favorite color. So I painted this wall yellow, and then I put this different colorful pieces here. And to start with the painting, what you see is the painting again from the Vincent van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam. And then this colorful mirror is from it's from Amazon, and I really like the way this mirror is painted because this is just matches with the decor idea what I have in my mind. And then my sunshine board is also from Amazon. And then these dream catchers, a set of dream catchers, I bought it from an Instagram store which is called I think Tassels of Life, and I'm going to link that their Instagram page in the description below. And the last frame is the World is a Book of Travel frame, also I bought from Amazon, and I got it framed. And moving on to this couch. So this couch was completely beige in color, and I just changed the upholstery, and I've got this light blue upholstery stitch. And to match with that, with the yellow and blue theme, I bought these ikat cushions from Amazon again. So these are the full ikat cushions that you can get it with the matching runner, which you will see on the center table. And also these shimmer cushions also from Amazon. I'm going to link everything in the description below. So this is how I have completed the look of this part of the hall. So guys, this is the last corner of this hall, and this corner is a little dark, so I wanted a little light effect on it, so I put this tripod lamp. So this tripod lamp also I bought from Amazon, and what I like about this lamp is, first of all, it is beige, so it goes with almost all the home decor themes. And second thing is, it is very functional because it has this shelves where you can put your family pictures, home decor, any planters or anything. And the next, I want this corner to be very minimalistic in terms of plants, because the other corner has too many plants. So I put just one rubber plant, and then I put this plants frame also. So this frame is also I bought from the Golden Plaza in Siliguri. And so then I filled this entire frame with different cactus and different succulents, and I really planned these planters and bought them to match with the home decor. And then a side table, of course, for more practical purpose. And then the other side of this wall has two more sofa seaters, and then there comes the curtains. So there's one thing about the curtains are the only thing which I have not bought, because it's a huge investment, because I really do not want to invest so much in curtains now. But these are neutral colors, these are beige and sheer curtains, and to get this little glamour effect, I have put I've stuck mirrors on some of the curtains, and then to finish the look, I have added the star fairy lights. And so this place looks gorgeous and beautiful when all the fairy lights are lit and all the lamps are lit. So guys, last but not the least is the center table. So for me, center table should always be with less items, because I want it, I mean, mostly people put center table, it's more of a practical purpose to put things when you call guests at home. So I do not want to clutter this, hence you will only see this one runner and one planter and a tissue box holder. So this runner is also part of the ikat cushion set that I bought, and then this is also one of the very pretty a tissue box holder that I found. So I was looking for a colorful tissue box holder which matches with the decor. So this one I bought it from Shoppers Stop. This is quite expensive. I think this is 1200, but it's worth the money. And then I put this planter here, and then a beige carpet that also I bought from Amazon. So to complete this entire look of this hall. So this is the end of this living room tour, and I hope you guys love it. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I release new YouTube video. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out Pink Pebble to watch some cool plant, home decor, travel stories. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.